Hello. Hi, everybody. So my name is Florent. I'm 23. I'm actually a project manager at KRDS. So we are located in Tidal Park, so right here on first floor. My talk is really not going to be technical because I don't know much about PHP or MySQL. I just know we need it in to develop apps. And it's actually more going to be about marketing and communication. So what we're going to see today is how Facebook is changing the way we interact with brands. So first, okay. Pepsi spent more than 250 million Super Bowl TV ads during the past 20 years. And this year they've decided to try something different. They launched an application on Facebook which is called Connect, Refresh, Everything Charity, where they give away millions of dollars to the most popular charity events. So it's actually better, so that's the website. Instead of getting 30 seconds to connect with their customers, they actually get 30 days, which is a lot better, and they didn't have to spend that much money. So we're just going to see some facts that you probably already know, but it's very important in marketing to know about this. So we know that Facebook, it's 500 million active users. It's probably going to reach, I don't know, you tell me about it, but 1 billion pretty soon.
There are over 500 million monthly active users.
Yeah, it's over 5 million, but it should reach 1 billion pretty soon.
I don't know.
I hope so. So it's 2 million daily active users. It's 15 minutes per day per average users on Facebook. It's 60 million status updates posted each day. 3 billion photos uploaded to site each month. 20 billion pieces of content shared each month. And Facebook is leader in sharing content in front of emails. So as you can see the chart, Facebook has been growing and it's really very, very, very important for brands. So the question is that we know that brands can no longer ignore Facebook. So the question is that, are they really welcome on Facebook? Or are they considered as spammers? Because we know they use apps all the time, so we could really think that they could spam us all the time. But the answer is, they are really welcome on Facebook. So we're just going to see how. So the power of Facebook pages, it's what we use. So KRDS, sorry I didn't tell you what we do exactly. We create application for the European companies when they have a new marketing campaign. So the like button is very important, and it's once in a decade revolution, because it's the only way that companies can broadcast on their fans page whatever they want for free and without any limits. So we could say that the like button is the CSS for dummies, because we don't need a CSS reader. We don't need to know the logo. The like button is very important for companies. So there are so many things that they can share. They can share pictures, video. They can ask questions to fans whenever they need something, when they have a question about a product or something. They can share notes, links, or they can also advertise any events. So in Facebook, it's very important to don't give too much information, because users really need to see something very quickly. So it's far better to publish a 1-minute long video every day than a 10-minute long video at once. Also, this is very good for fans, because, I keep saying fans because whenever in marketing we still use the fan page instead of like, because it helps our clients to understand what it's all about. So fans can watch videos straight from their home page. They can comment content. They can like content. And they can also share this content with friends. So it's a very popular tool. It's more than 3 million active pages on Facebook, more than 20 million new fans of pages every day. It's more than 5.3 billion fans, and an average user becomes a fan of 4 pages every month. So some brands are really lucky because they don't have to do anything to be liked on Facebook. So like Coca-Cola, Pringles, Skittles, Starbucks. Especially Coca-Cola, it's very interesting because they actually didn't start their own page. The customers started the page and then they start using it. But some of the brands really have to market the product actively on Facebook in order to get people to come on their page. So for companies like the clients that we have, it's very good to use Facebook because it's the only way, it's the most powerful targeting tool whenever you want to advertise for your company, because you can select the gender, you can select the birthday, you can send whatever you want on the person's birthday. You can choose like a very small city if you want to advertise something there, and this is a very powerful targeting tool. So this is why more and more companies use the like button in order to share information, more information or promotions or specific content with their fans. So the first case study that we're going to see, so we'll see 3 case studies. So the first one is about the BNP Paribas Bank. So they came to us and they said, alright, we want fans. So it's a bank, that was last year, that was the bank crisis, financial crisis. So we said, okay, but the only thing, it's a really tough time right now to have fans for a bank. So we're like, let's just try something different. So BNP was like, they keep saying that they support the film industry. So we just told them that they should give away movie tickets. So that's what we're doing. So this is the page. 1,000 movie tickets were, users could win 1,000 movie tickets every day. So this is the page. That's the movie ticket they could win. That's the like button. In order to participate to the content, you have to like the page. And this is some samples of the winners because they could see that this is true. You will actually get your ticket. We also prompt them to share the information with their friends. And this is really good because we started from scratch. The BNP page had 0 fans when we started the application. So they bought some Facebook ads. We had 1,000 tickets giving away every day. And 1 month later, that's 120,000 fans. So the BNP Bank was the first financial service, the first bank on Facebook in terms of fans. So the only thing is that you have to remember this golden rule is that when people become fan of any page or like a page, it's because they're sharing something that they like. So this is why we really don't want them to hide our post, and this is why in the BNP case, we told them not to share 4 out of 5 time movie contents and then 1 out of 5 time bank offer.
Do you know how many people have hidden the updates?
No. Yeah, you can. You can in the insights. You can now. Just click on the insights and you can see.
Yeah, but I just don't know right now. I know we can, but I just don't know. So we'll see the power of Facebook apps. So for a company, it's really good because you can have your own website inside the Facebook platform and everybody can see it. Everybody can share the information with their friends. They can share what they do. So when we launch an app, this is how it works. We just get a set of users to try the application. Some of them will like it, some others won't. But the one who like it will just share the information, the application with other friends. And this is how it grows and gets a lot bigger. So the second case study that we're going to see is about TF1. So it's a French, it's the #1 French TV channel. So they came to us and they said, all right, we have this new show coming up and we want to create a really big buzz about it. So, and they also wanted to increase the traffic on their website. So we create this application, The Greatest Quiz of France. So it's a quiz where you had 3 minutes to answer as much question as you could, and then you get some points, and then you tell your friend to come and try the application to get a bigger score. So in 4 days we had 20,000 users driven in only 4 days to the application. The user will prompt to invite their friends. So this is how it works. It's a viral bonus. And this is what it says here in French. It's like, I had 230 points to the greatest quiz of friends. Do you think you can do better? So we're challenging the other people to come and try this application. So 20,000 ad-driven users, plus a good concept, because we know exactly what, we know the European market. I don't know about the US, but we know the European market. We know what's working. And so a good concept, and the knowledge of putting the viral feature at the right time and at the right place. So sharing content on your wall, invite friends. We had on this app 1,500,000 people. So this is the viral bonus, 1.5 million divided by 20,000, 75. So meaning that one person invited 75 other friends. So that's what I said. So in October 2009, the greatest quiz of France was 10 million Facebook users saw the brand, even if they didn't play, because they saw that in their friends' wall. 40 million impression of the quiz result story on users' homepage. We did a good job because the TF1 website was the top source of traffic to the page dedicated to the TV show, and it drove up to 40,000 people. Users every week. So that's exactly what they wanted, and they were really happy about it. The last case study that I'm going to talk about is about Louis Vuitton, which is a luxury brand. It's the first time that the luxury brand interact with users in a social platform. What we did, that was during the fashion week. So they wanted users to be able to watch the show. So we created this application so they could, thanks to Facebook live stream, they could watch the show and also write comments about it. So every time someone was writing something on the stream, was commenting about it, we would be able to see it on its wall, so that other users could come and see it. So during the fashion week, 120,000 fans. And now Louis Vuitton is about 1,300,000 fans. So there's one thing that we have to remember, is that there is more and more people watching TV and using their computer at the same time. For example, during the Super Bowl, 14% of viewers spend time online at an average time of 29 minutes. Which means that using TV and personal computer is a growing trend, and this is why Facebook live stream is a perfect tool, because it will let people watch something at the same time and also talk about it and comment about it. So this is really a good marketing tool for us. So just to finish, I just want to say that today a company cannot ignore Facebook. It's very important. When they want to market something, they really have to use this platform, and it's really big. It's going to last for a long time. So this is why they really have to do something and get on Facebook. So even if they didn't start, they have to try it, see if it works, and then they'll see that that's the only way to get as many people without spending that much money.
So Florent, in your sorry, let's give him a hand. In your experience dealing with brands, tell us some of the pitfalls, some major mistakes that you or your brands have done, something that all of us should avoid.
Well, right now we didn't make any mistakes. It's just sometimes that the clients, they want something, and we know it's not going to work, but they said that's what we want. That's exactly what we want. So we want to do like some applications that works, where people would find something interesting to it. So we just have to, every time we create an application, we just have to think how the users would go and try to use the application. So if you forget about it, the application is never going to work.